guys, here's Natalia from Mamatime Posh, and I wanted to welcome you today to my couch. I have ginormous Thredup unboxing for you today. I'll show you. Have all those boxes, and I had somebody ask me about this painting in the back. It's actually, yeah, I painted this painting. Here you go. Because I'm actually artist, but you know, being artist is not so easy in this world. So I'm also reselling because I love clothes. So here we go. It's the first box. I didn't see it. Let's see what I got. I do have some return my own items, you know, that were returned back to me. Sorry, I'm just missing this camera. Okay, so what is this? First item. Ooh, it's like a coated leather. J brand. It's hard to see. But I had pants just like it, but navy, and I love them, and I messed them up with some mosquito spray. So this will be nice to replace them. Those are like a maroon color. Next item. If you guys are interested in any of the items you see, you can let me know. Ooh, this is pretty color. Tommy Hilfiger. Like a plaid shirt. Very nice. It's like a thinner cotton with a little pocket. Okay, next item. I wasn't sure about this one. The brand is Colette. I wasn't sure what it is. Thought it might have been Anthropology, I think, but not sure. But I just thought it was really cute and very 90s. It's kind of like puffy. It has like lining. Rayon. Yeah, it has like a little lining, and it's a short skirt. I thought it was so 90s and cute. Next item, what is this? There's some spot on it. Already seen. Well, that's a problem with Thredup, that a lot of times you get, you know, items that they just overlooked, that it had some spot or hole, especially like wool. So that's kind of a bummer. This one is Melville, and I wasn't sure if this is like Brandy Melville. So if you guys know, let me know. I thought those jeans look really cool. Look, they have button fly. They're high-waisted, black, and stretchy. And they have little, what is that? Skinny. They're skinnies, but I thought they were pretty cool. Very, very high waist. Size 40. So all those items I will have amazing deals on. So if you're interested, you can let me know. Next one. This is a brand that sells really good for me, especially in men's. Woolrich. I bought before like a lot of men plaid shirts, and they all sold really quickly for a pretty good profit. And this one is very thick plaid. It has 2 pockets in front, and it's like a nice flannel. Let's see what's next. Wow, there's so much in that little box. This is Gap. Ooh, this is cute. It's a denim or chambray shirt, but it looks like it would be like a, what is it called? Shacket. It looks like it's big enough to be a shacket. So I might be keeping this one. We'll see how it fits. It's size small, but it looks very oversized. I don't really wear small, especially not in shirts, because of the chest, you know. Okay, this one feels like silk. Talbots. vintage. Yeah, 100% silk. Like a coral little. That's cute. Like a crop jacket. Has a little embroidery. 3/4 sleeve. And size 10. And you could put it over like a dress. Or if you wear jeans and tank top or something and you want to dress it up. What is this? This one I don't know. Oh, it's Silence and Noise. Size small. It has a little vest. Okay, so this item is Silence and Noise. It's viscose. Yeah, and I think it's Anthropology. It has like a faux leather shoulder and like a moto jacket shape. Very cute and not too thick. Oh, it's size small, but it looks a little oversized. Next one is the skirt. It is Michael Kors, size 8, navy blue with little white detail, little zippers with the logo. Next item is called Angel Kiss Los Angeles. It's a very cute little denim skirt. Like a mid-thigh length. It is very stretchy. What size is this? Medium. Okay, next item. This looks really pretty. Ooh, this looks nice. H&M, size 8. Like a pale pink top with 3/4 sleeve. And then it has like a contrasting tie. That's pretty. We're going out. Next item is this pretty. Oh, it has a tag. That's good. The brand is Blondie Nights. I don't know. Anyway, it's a giant Maxi Tutu skirt. That is cool. Look how pretty. It has this pretty stone, and it's like a royal blue, and it's sheer, but it has lining. That's very cool. All right, let's go to the next box. I gotta speed up here. Oops, sorry. Next box. So far, I see my returned item. Another one. This one, Cavallini. I looked up comps for this, and it's pretty good for brand, especially for flannel shirts. And this one's really cool. Has little shoulder pads. Very nice. And it's size small, but it looks kind of looser fit. So that's nice. This was my returned item. This one is Mark Zanino. I thought this would be really cute. Little blazer with like a black color block neckline. This fun pattern, lightly padded shoulders, and it has like a little, are they sewn in pockets? Yeah, they're like faux pockets. Next item is the Scaffold hooded jacket. Very nice. It's like that dry fit fabric. Ooh, how pretty. This is a little tutu skirt with the gold detail. It's probably like a midi to the knee length. Next, another tutu skirts. I know those are very popular now. This one is size 6. And this one is all, no, it does have lining. It's black, tulle. It's very cool. Next item, oh man, this is so soft. It's preowned, I think it's called, which is anthropology. Faux fur, like a swing vest. And this is size small, but really it's one size fits most. I can think till extra large easily you can fit in that. Next item is this commuter little like jersey skirt. It is lined royal blue, size medium. Next item, Rock and Republic little top. It is sheer in the back. It has a little like texture and color and little pocket in front, and it's small. And this one we have faux fur or faux shearling. One size fits for most because small to large. I would say even extra large and plus can fit because it has big underarm area, and it has like a swing. I think it's like a handkerchief, hem pocket, high-low, very cute, darker brown color. Next item, what is this? I don't know what I'm looking at. Oh, okay. It's little like a light coat / duster jacket with faux pockets. It has like a little cuffed sleeve. Very pretty pink. And I don't know what size you are. I think it's about small or medium. Not sure. Next item I have is, oh, that's a return. Ralph Lauren New Attack Black Label dress. Next item, it is also my own. What do we have here? This is Silence and Noise, like super oversized, high-low, like a shark bite hem top. It says size small, but as you see, that could fit extra large. 3/4 sleeve, very soft. It's like cashmere, maybe blend. Next, we have this plaid shirt from Abercrombie and Fitch, navy with little sequins here in size large.